Hi, my name is Galton Blackiston. I'm the chef patron of Morston Hall in North Norfolk, and I'm going to show you around my backyard. Right, every guest who comes into Morston comes through this way. Just a little collection of some of the things we've achieved since 1992. I mean, Michelin didn't used to do this sort of thing early doors, so that's why they're now like this. But this is the latest one, which marks 25 years of Morston, which obviously is a proud moment, not only for me, but for everybody associated with Morston Hall from 1992. Anyway, enough of that, come in. And here we have the main restaurant. So as you can see, it's really light and it's vibrant, and people love eating in here. I was led to believe that Michelin wouldn't come knocking because of the style of the service that we do. So it came as an incredible surprise. Didn't have ambitions to cook for Michelin, just assumed that I wouldn't be anywhere near that. And that was a massive surprise. I think you get a challenge every day, every single day, you know. 25 years of retaining a star, the biggest challenges are maintaining it. I think I've been through two sort of almost recession times in my time here, and it's tough. Never has there been a tougher time than now, I'll say, ever. Never known it, because everything's changed. So, this is the thing with chefs. I like everything small, like the broad beans. These are almost perfect for me. Most people would let the broad beans grow a lot bigger, but I'm interested in teeny ones, you know, because they're sweeter. So this happens every day. Somebody comes into the garden here every day, and we have to feature something on the menu from the garden. It can be a smaller thing, it can be a chive flower or whatever, but it has to feature. So we've just come out from the garden. I love going to the garden. This, as I say, now is the best time to be getting produce out from the garden. We try and feature something every single day of the week from the garden. But this is something else I love as well. When all the produce comes in, especially the fish, because look, if you follow me here, diver caught scallops. Love them. From the Orkneys, beautiful produce. What's in here? What's in here, chef? Oh, look, these are my favourite. Come in here and have a look at these. Whoa, ow. But how good are they? How good are they? Lucky, lucky guests. We use the best ingredients, and it doesn't matter, as I say, England, Scotland, Ireland, Wales, France, Italy, Spain, and we try and make sure that you taste those ingredients and not get masked by some sort of sauce. But I'm going to show you something in the oven, which has been our longest serving dish. Really 32 years. And this. Still got a little bit of a wobble on it. This is the crab tart, made of chroma crabs, and I don't want to bugger it up. So we take this off. Yes, it's a little bit, I would say, golden for me. But hey, we'll trim that up. It needs to be cooked a little bit in advance because you don't want it hot and indigestible. So we cook it a little bit in advance, and then we just very carefully trim it. But you get a little wedge of this. Yeah, still hot and indigestible. But yeah, look at it. Yeah, it is jam-packed full of crab, chroma crab. This is mayonnaise basically, but we use lovage from the garden. It's called an emulsion. But yeah, basically it's like a mayonnaise. For acidity, it's blood orange. So we make it in another thing, it's called a gel. This is a bit which excites me. Having just been to the garden, these are amazing. It's simple, but it's going to taste really good. But that's the chroma crab tart since 1992. I want to keep Morston going. I want to cook really well every day, every single day. There's loads of different things that I haven't finished. I ain't finished by a long way.